Hi guys, welcome back. So today I got my final prize from the sweeps and I'm ready to show you guys what I got. So let me show you. As you can see, it's a box, a really big box. It doesn't say how much weight it was, but so let me show you. So here's what it looks inside. It has paper like usual, package paper, and then oh my god, how amazing. So let me show you. So here's the first. It is a Yes to Blueberries Age Refresh Cleansing Facial Wipes. It has 25 cleansing wipes. And there's some more information. And how I got this, they gave me a gift card for $125. So basically all of this is $125 worth. And I didn't have to pay for shipping or nothing. I just had to pay tax, which wasn't even a lot. But yes, it was worth it. I got 2 mystery boxes. One was a $25 one and the other one was a $40. I got both just to see what's the difference. And I'm not really sure which one is which, but hey, I might be getting another box maybe. But look, this is one. Then I got another of these and it says buy 2 get 1 free. They're travel size. They're the same, and there's 3. So these are like little sample ones. If you take them anywhere. Okay, next one. It's another Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne Daily Pore Scrub, and this one doesn't have any activated charcoal. It's all just tomato. So yes, I did try the mud mask. It made my skin feel so nice. Okay, so next we have 1, 2, 3 sunscreens. We have 2 of the kids, and then we have 1 of the natural. So these are probably like for adults. And let me read a little bit of it. It both says the same thing, so I'm not sure if you can see. I'll show you what it says. It says cucumbers are packed with rejuvenating vitamins which help to soothe, soften, and keep your lovable little one's skin supple and fresh. And then the same thing, but then it's for you when you're out having some fun in the snow, in the sun or snow. So you can use that. And it is open. Smells a lot like sunscreen. The kids one smells like tomatoes. Okay. Next one we have another wipes, and it's Yes to Grapefruit Correct and Repair Brightness Facial Wipes. We have 25. Some instructions. So pretty nice. Then I see a Yes to Carrots Nurturing Intense Repair Hand Cream. Ooh. Let me see how it smells. It smells a lot like lemon instead of carrots. Ooh, it says right here, I'm gonna read. I know you guys can't see what it says, but I'm gonna read it for you. It says, our intense repair formulas target extra dry or itchy skin with intense ingredients to make your skin breathe a big old sigh of relief. I really need this. Something that nobody knows, well, that I don't like is cream. I hate cream. Ever since I was a little kid, I hated it. It always left my skin oily and nasty. I was like, I never want to use cream. So, whenever I have creams, I'm like, ugh, hope they don't leave my skin oily. And some do still, and I'm just like, I should stop. But I'm gonna give this a try and hope it does work and not leave oily skin, which I hate a lot. Next thing we have is another Yes to Carrots Nurturing Daily Moisturizer Body Lotion. It says, yes to carrots and sweet potatoes for better keratin skin nourishment. Yes to safflower seed oil. What is that? I never heard of that. For a big old dose of softness. Another lotion. It says 24-hour moisture. Okay, cool. Let me smell it. Oops. Okay, got some on myself. Oops. Well, let's try it. Why not? It's for your body. It smells plasticky, but I don't feel it anymore. I give that a big old thumbs up. Okay, next thing I see, another grapefruit. So I got 2 of those. Next thing I see, can't reach. A yes to a grapefruit correct and repair. Dark circle correcting eye cream. Yes to a licorice root to lighten dark circles and improve skin tone. It's a little broken, squished, broken. I mean squished. And it tells you the actual size. So let me open it. It's really thin looking. And it is in 0.5 ounce fluid ounces. Pretty awesome. Next thing I see is a yes to carrots. Super rich body butter. Body butter. That's like a tongue twister. And it's closed. It's closed. But that's good. Somewhere open, somewhere closed. This one was closed. And it says, yes to carrots and sweet potatoes to nurse and shea butter to soften. Cool. Next thing you see, I see 2 of the same. Let's see. Yeah. And it's a yes to carrots nurturing repairing night cream. And it says yes to organic carrots that know just how to nourish dry skin. Yes to vitamin E for healing and hydrating. So let's open it just to see how it looks like. Oh, they're so pretty. Nice package. Oh, it's so tiny. See, it's very tiny. So that was a nice thing. Next thing I see is 3 of the Yes to Carrots lip butter. It's berry with fruit olive oil. Olive fruit oil, I mean. Okay, cool. 3 of those. And they're the same. Next thing I see is the biggest one. It's a Yes to Grapefruit Rejuvenating Body Wash. For all skin types. Grapefruit helps reveal soft skin. Yes to a natural glow. And it's closed. And it says, need something to wake you up in the morning? Exfoliating fruit acids will have your tired skin looking radiant and soft in no time. Plus, the refreshing citrus from grapefruit will have you singing in the shower, making it a perfect wake-up call. That sounds so cool. Can't wait to try this out. And the last thing are some samplers. Samplers cost $5 plus free shipping, so you have some $5 to spare and you want to try this out. $5 isn't bad for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have the Yes to Cucumber Soothing Eye Gel. It has Yes to Cucumbers for soothing tired eyes and green tea for depuffing. So that's that one. Then we have another Yes to Cucumbers on the go facial towelette. 1 travel towelette to cleanse, remove makeup, and refresh and all. Ooh, this is gonna come in handy. School is coming up and really nice. Then we have a Yes to Blueberries Age Refresh Eye Firming Treatment. Formulated with Paracris flour to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, for my mom. And then we have another one, and this is a cleansing facial towelette with apple plus lemon peel to cleanse and moisturize all in one. This is gonna come in handy. Then we have another Yes to Carrots, and it's this one that I got. You know, the butter in sample form. And lastly, we have a Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Clearing Facial Mask for single use. And no, that's not. So that is all I got in my little box of goodies that I won from the giveaway. This was the best giveaway win I could have asked. You guys need to enter to giveaways. You may not win all of them, but it's good to enter. Enter. You never know when you're gonna win one. Like this one surprised me. I was just like, fine, I'll do it, and I'm not gonna win. Surprisingly, I won. And yeah, enter, you guys. And also go to my Facebook page. I post all freebies I find. Freebies are awesome. And yeah, enter, you guys, and go like my Facebook page and go and check out my blog. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions on how to get freebies or how to enter giveaways, or you just want to say hi or show me your freebies, I always post my freebies on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yeah, I mean, I've been doing this for a year now, so this is proof that I do get stuff. And yeah, so I'm sorry, why do I keep on saying oh yeah? So yeah, okay, whatever. So enter, go like it, go read my blog if you want. I'm not gonna promote myself, I'm just saying, you know. But yeah, do you guys enter. It's amazing what you can get for free. Like, I never expected to get so many yes to something, you know. So yeah, enter, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.